Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the first app, then swipe up to show the dock and drag the second app onto the screen. This creates split view. Once done, make sure the dividing bar is centered where you want it to balance focus and context. You do this because split view keeps both apps active and responsive, letting you copy content or compare information without switching tasks. If one app won't split, try dragging from the dock instead of home screen. Some apps limit multitasking. Next, add a floating slide-over app for quick reference or messaging. Drag a third app from the dock onto the middle of the screen. Once placed, you can swipe the slide over left or right to tuck it out of the way. This saves space while keeping the app ready. Make sure to practice moving the divider and slide over so you can resize or swap apps quickly, because efficient window management is why multitasking speeds work. If you need a different pair, drag a new app onto either side to replace it. Finally, set the layout by dragging the center divider to adjust each app's width until content is readable and usable. Hold and move for precision. Once the arrangement is right, use gestures, 3-finger tap to copy /paste or keyboard shortcuts if you have one, to finish your task faster. If an app won't respond or the multitasking gesture stops working, force close the problematic app or restart the iPad. That usually clears temporary glitches and restores split view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.